Hi everyone. Stopped. Watched. Watched. Laughed. Tricked. Called. Played. Enjoyed. Arrived. Followed. Wanted, needed, visited, invited, greeted. In the morning, the alarm clock rings. He wakes up, he stretches, he tracks the alarm clock. He feeds the cat. He brushes his teeth. He exercises. He takes the shower. He shaves. He fixes breakfast. He makes toast. He drinks coffee. He washes the dishes. He gets the rest. He fixes his hair. He combs his hair. He brushes his hair. He dresses his saddle. He puts on his racket. He picks up his briefcase. He closes the door. He catches the bus. Thank you.